much. May I ask honourable members of the committee, are there any other opinions or objections to the draft proposed by the ICOMOS? I don't see any. May I ask Rapporteur if there are any draft proposed additionally?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We have no draft amendments for this decision.
So, as soon as it is like that, I would like to propose to approve the proposed draft decision, and I declare the decision 43-8B-17 adopted like amended. On behalf of all the members of the committee, I would